Alright guys, in today's video, we're going to be unboxing one of my favorite animatronics from this year, actually, to be honest. Hot take. In person, like, his box is like, I don't know, stuff on it, but his box is freaking huge. And I like what they did this year by putting the thing that says he is 6 feet tall. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on to the unboxing. Alright, so opening the box here. It has a pull-out tray. So, alright, now we can get on to the unboxing. Pull it out here is a arm labeled K right here. Sorry if the audio quality is buttons. I lost my microphone, so this guy is outdoor proof, made for outside and indoor. So then you have the other arm labeled G. We have these two shoes labeled H, H, and H. Then right over here we have the back piece labeled E. Then we have his hands, very small hands. Well, not really, they're about the same size as mine. They have cotter pins in there, so you have to put the cotter pins in. This one is labeled L, and this one is labeled M. And right here we have the pool noodles, or the poles, not the poles, but like the pool noodles. One labeled I, and one labeled another I. We have clothing here. First thing we got up right here is the collar right here that has golden-ish yellow. Then we have this thin purple layer on the, well, pink on the bottom. And with a little bit of doesn't look too good, might fix this, but PNG blood. Then we have the shirt here. Very good shirt, labeled O. I love the way this looks. It has like cuts on here. We got the yellow ruffles, or whatever you want to call them. So there's your shirt. And the next thing we have inside the box is the pants. Just the same color as the shirt. And it has those little like rips on the bottom to make it look like it's ripped, like it's old-timey, or like old pants and pants. It also has like dirt on it, which is really cool. That is labeled P. I love what y'all been waiting for. Oh, wait, this thing has got some weight to it. But the moment y'all been waiting for, I just took a look at it. Here is his head. That is really just amazing. I can see the inside of it a little bit. Can't see the head of the inside. As you can see, look how detailed that is. I'm just gonna take tape off here. So put the tape on here just to make sure that it doesn't come apart or break or anything. Yeah, there's his head. It definitely has some weight to it since this thing is outdoors. But there is his head. Then right here, here's instructions. So one of my other favorite animatronics for this guy, Creepy Tyrant Clown. But all in all, I think it was worth it. But here are instructions, his instructions. Then this very big outdoor adapter. Sorry guys if I'm looking like I'm sweating. We have like a heat advisory, extreme heat advisory. The heat is gonna get up to like 115, so just bear with me guys. But taking this tie off here. outdoor rated adapter. This is very small, so like if you have a haunt or anything, it would be good so you can plug in more things at once. Then a outdoor screw-in wire here. We have some holes here. These are like very durable. So here we have his leg poles labeled C and B. No, they're not. We actually have the outdoor rated stakes that we will not be using. We have way better ones than these, but they just come with them. One's labeled F. Oh yeah, they're just labeled F. So there are the stakes. Then, almost last thing we have is the control box here. And also Spirit's been doing this since last year. They have this protector thing on here. And as you can see, his adapter, his speaker, or whatever you want to call it, his control box is outdoor rated, so, which is awesome. But I will get that off, so let me do that real quick. All right, so I got the thing off. So right here, as you can see, there is a sensor, off try me and on mode. It has protected the switch, so it can be outdoor rated. Last thing, the box. This is big. Base. We have the base here, labeled A, and you know it's the right direction where you can see these prongs sticking out here. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the unboxing. Now let's get on to the setup. All right, so the first thing we want to do is grab the pole, stick it through the leg, this, attach it to that, then lock it in, just like that. Then what you want to do before you put on the pole noodles, you're going to put on the other one, labeled C. Just put it in. Now there you go. Now it is locked in place. The other one there. Now what you can do is you can put on these two pole noodles, just like that. Then what you can do after that is put on the pants. That. Make sure the poles are sticking out. Just like that. Now the next thing that you would want to do is put on the control box. Like that. And just like that. Then what you want to do is you want to put on the sorry, everything's wrong. Is the shirt. Just that. So the next thing you want to do is put on one of the arms. This will be posted on 4th of July, so it's July 1st as of right now. He just came, so happy 4th of July to you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful 4th of July. But anyways, after you put on this arm here, next you want to put on this one oil. Yeah. Then what you want to do is put on the other arm labeled K. Then it's locked in there. Just like that. Now what you want to do is put on the other hand. And cut it out. Put the other hand like that. So there's a hole in the front, lock it right back in. Just like that. Then in the back here, you will put the back piece. Set it on right there. Then we'll get a back shot of plugging everything in after we put the head on. The next thing you have to do is put on the head. Anywhere, so yeah. Then to do is put on the collar. There are a bunch of Velcro. Put on. Velcro to the back. Like that. Wow, he's looking awesome. All right, now what you want to do is see these wires here. See these wires right here. You want to put them in. You know, it's fine. Just keep this way. So you see this one? This one goes up to these little prongs here. So let's plug that in. All right, so I got that plugged in. Then the next one, you want to plug in this one to the green down here. So let's get that plugged in. All right, now the green wire is plugged in. Now you want to do is do the blue one. So connect these two together. So let's do that. All right, now the blue wire is connected. Now connect this red wire coming from the head to this one. So let's plug that in. All right, so that red one is connected. So now all you have to do is button him up, and let's get on to the demo.
Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick?
Ta-da! What do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear. Yeah!
I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited, I could burst.
Surprise! Now it's time for the real show.